Hi, Wanderlust and Decor. Welcome to my home.
आज का होम डेकोर वाला वीडियो आपके लिए होने वाला है बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग। आपके घर में कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें होंगी जो कि बहुत साल पुरानी हैं लेकिन आप उनको डिस्कार्ड करना नहीं चाहते और हैं वो आपके दिल के बहुत करीब। तो आज के वीडियो में आप देखेंगे कि जो दिल के करीब जो ओल्ड फर्नीचर है या फिर कुछ ओल्ड आइटम्स हैं उनको कैसे आप स्मार्टली रीडिज़ाइन करके अपने घर में बहुत खूबसूरती से डिस्प्ले कर सकते हैं। जिनके घर हम जा रहे हैं उनको फ्लोरल थीम का बहुत शौक है। क्यों शौक है तो चलिए पूछते हैं इन्हीं की जुबानी।
So I have chosen this floral pattern to complement the grey wall, and I love flowers, so that is why we have gone in with the pinks, the hue of pink. So we've gone in for these corner chairs because it gives a very royal effect, and of course it again complements the Buddha painting on the wall. So that is the reason why we've chosen this.
I really like this. It is a Tara Devi structure.
Yeah, it's a Thailand Apsara. It's from Thailand. That Buddha is also from Thailand. And that's a painting made by my Masi. She's a world-renowned artist. Her name is Anupam Sood.
Oh wow. I'm sure she's on Instagram.
No. She's 80 plus. She's only on Facebook.
Oh wow.
उतना ही handle कर ले बहुत है.
So this was a wedding gift?
No. It was a post-wedding gift. The first gift she gave me after she started learning Tanjore painting.
Wow, that's really beautiful. So your mom, does she has any exhibitions? Or in the city?
No. She only gifts. She doesn't sell.
Okay, all right.
She only gifts.
Anupam, so this is the same artist
Yes.
just mentioned?
This is the biography on her. It's a complete biography on her. And since we are restaurateurs, so you can see the restaurant 2000 here.
Great.
So this is me in totality, thankful, grateful and blessed. This was a gift given by my daughter-in-law's mother, and not my real daughter-in-law of course, but my cousin sister's daughter-in-law. And this is the traditional touch that I was telling you that we should have it. And I am a owl person. I love owl. So that is why you'll see a lot of owls in my house because I consider them very lucky.
Is there any significance of the elephants you have kept here?
No, there's no significance as such. It's just that I love the pieces, so I pick them up. And again, you can see my pink flowers. I love flowers. You can see my cushion covers also. They're very floral. Yeah. So this is the wall which I had created, and these were bought by my husband in 1995 when he had gone to US. This one and the mermaid one on the rock. So these are that old. This is again from Thailand.
Okay.
I do not know the story behind it, like why it is the way it is, but I think it's just to keep away the evil, you know. So I'm really not sure. Maybe your viewers can give us a better viewpoint.
And this mask is from which place?
This is from Dharamshala.
Okay.
Yeah, Dharamshala.
Because-
McLeodganj.
McLeodganj. Okay.
Yes.
Because
my
similar
hometown.
masks are also, available in Sri Lanka as well.
हाँ, this is from basically from Nepal. ये नेपाल का है. But again वहाँ पे काफी नेपालीज हैं धर्मशाला में, McLeodganj में. So I got this from there. This is again a Najar Bhattu ki, right at the entrance.
And it is right opposite
Evil
to the
eye.
entrance.
Yes,
Oh,
it
that's
keeps
lovely.
the evil eye at bay.
और ये ड्रैगन्स के बारे में बताइए.
Again, no history behind it. A gift from my parents. This is something which my husband loves. Natraj. Not
Very
Natraj.
beautifully
Krishan ji
placed.
on
Okay.
on the snakes.
I like the artifacts and the showpieces which you've placed on this divider. I think they all are very tastefully selected from various places. As it is, I can see आपके घर में जो काफी सारी चीजें हैं वो I think वो that is from your travel diaries.
Yes, it is
So-
mostly from my travel diaries and from Dubai.
Okay.
We were there for 10 years.
Okay. All right.
Yes.
तो ये कैबिनेट्स ये क्या है?
Yeah, so this I have used my old Dahej wala furniture. I have revamped it into a bar and a divider. So this is a two-way bar, and it opens from this side as well as that side. And we have a table here to serve the drinks, and we put in the starters and everything here. So it's easily dismantleable also. So this gives us a lot of space when not required.
This is called smart furniture,
Yes.
smart designing.
Yes, this is called smart designing. So ये वो वाले तंजौर पेंटिंग्स है जिनके बारे में मैं आपको बता रही थी. ये श्रीनाथ जी हैं, कृष्ण जी के चरण, राधा जी के चरण, राधा रानी. These are all made by my mother. ये हमारा छोटा सा मंदिर है. ये श्रीनाथ जी की पेंटिंग है. ये मेरे रिक्वेस्ट पे बनी है और ये मेरी मम्मा ने मेरी सेकंड डॉटर को गिफ्ट करा था when she came to Abu Dhabi when she was born. So this is a mirror we picked up from Suraj Kund and got it repainted. This also cabinet is a very old one. This is nearly 20-25 years old from Dubai. Also this table, so everything is refurbished, redecorated so that we don't have to lose on the beautiful pieces that we had purchased, you know. This was the first purchase. The dining table, the side table. So
And what are these small little trays I can see in the corner?
So this is my little Vastu corner. Yeah. So this painting, I really don't remember where we picked it up from, but I think my husband picked it up from one of the exhibitions. And ये हमारी नमस्ते आंटी हैं.
Oh, that's
She
interesting.
welcomed the home into the kitchen.
Okay.
Yeah. We created this area specially for her.
Okay.
Yeah.
Or is the me
Yes.
with her
And then
blessings?
they thank her before they leave. So I'll tell you about these coves that I have created. These are special. So if you see, mostly people have used POP to make the false ceiling. And if you see my home, I have used wood to create the false ceiling effect. I'll just show it to you. Now this is done. If you can see the effect,
Oh, yes.
you know.
Oh,
So this actually keeps our house very warm. If you can see the effect here also, we have it in all the rooms. So this actually keeps our house very, very warm. I don't know how and why, but if you see, I have no false ceiling anywhere except in the center. And ये पूरे boards लगे हुए हैं ऊपर.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So this is the most unique part of my house. This you will not see anywhere. So this my daughter had got from Malaysia, the first trip that her company gifted her. And this is a coconut shell. And if you see these shiny thing inside, it's a seashells which is engraved inside it. And I've used to keep it some rock salt and some kapoor, again some najar battu. Again, this is a center table piece which is got history behind it. This is again from Home Center Abu Dhabi, 20-25 years old. And again, you see there are a lot of greens here because I love plants. So to give the drawing room a very vibrant feel and a very green look. And the sofas also you can see are on a dark blue side to contrast the chairs that we have here. You can see the carpet also is to blend in the whole thing all together in totality. It's a dark mauve color. ये भी मेरे दहेज का स्टूल है जो चले आ रहा है सालों से. It's been 27 years, still sturdy, still strong.
और इसकी अपहोल्स्ट्री आपने
वो हर बार बदलती है, मैच कर जाती है.
लवली. आई होप आपको अभी तक वीडियो बहुत अच्छा लगा होगा. आगे भी बहुत कुछ है, सो प्लीज स्टे ट्यून. बट बिफोर दैट वी हैव वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग section of the video which is rapid fire, and thank you so much ma'am for showing your beautiful house to my viewers.
Most welcome.
So I have small little questions for you.
Okay.
So quickly just give me and उससे क्या होगा viewers को और मुझे आपकी choice भी पता लग जाएगी.
ठीक है.
All right. So बताइए, you like curtains or blinds?
I like curtains at some places and blinds at some. Depends on the decor of the house.
All right. Penthouse or ground floor?
I wouldn't mind a penthouse.
All right. And do you travel, ma'am? Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling. Absolutely.
So you like solo trips or with family?
I wouldn't mind going on solo, but it's definitely a family.
All right. And beach vacation or mountain retreat?
अब खून में तो पहाड़ है, but of course a beach vacation.
Great. Yeah, and change is always good,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Okay. So any decor item you love the most in your home?
So those paintings which were made by my mother, the Tanjore paintings, each is a gift, a special story, a special request
All right.
based on which she has made it for us. So जैसे लड़कियां विदा होंगी तो एक एक पेंटिंग उनके साथ जाएगी. So
Beautiful,
yes,
beautiful.
एक विवान की है my sons,
Okay.
कुछ एक मेरे husband की और मेरी है. So every painting has a story. Of course, the Tanjore paintings are my
Yes, I mean,
most
as and
prized
when you were
possession.
explaining it to the viewers
Yes,
as well. That's lovely.
especially it has my mother's love in it.
Why not? Why
Yes.
not? That has to be your favorite. then.
Yes.
Okay. So modern or traditional decor?
A mix of modern with traditional. Because if you see my house, you can understand that I have my tradition in there also. So of course, a blend of both.
All right.
But mostly modern, yes.
Yes, it is all modern. Yeah,
Yes.
I can see that.
Mostly modern.
All right. Any decor style which you dislike secretly?
I don't like people following the trend and they forget to weave a story in their house with the decor pieces and everything. They just give it to the interior decorator to do it. So I feel that shouldn't be there. Every home once you enter should tell you a story of the people living there. You know, every wall should speak. Every showpiece should speak on its own. So I
Absolutely.
feel that is important.
Absolutely.
Yes.
All right. Scented candles or fairy lights?
Scented candles.
All right. Thank you so much, ma'am. And ma'am, I got something very special for you.
Oh, that is so sweet. I love plants.
hope you will like it. And
Yes,
it's
I
good
love
for
plants.
environment as well. Oh,
Yes.
thank you so much.
Thank you so much. That is so
Thank you.
pretty.
इसी के साथ हमारा रैपिड फायर राउंड कंप्लीट होता है. स्टे ट्यून, अभी भी बहुत कुछ बाकी है वीडियो में.
Thank
Ma'am,
you.
Shall we continue?
Yes.
All right.
So as you can see, this is our cozy corner. We have some books that you can just take to read, sit here, or this is also a corner to play Jenga or to play Ludo or to play whatever. It's like the connectivity corner. And this is one of the paintings made by my mother. This is the Tanjore painting. This was gifted to my husband and me by my mother. So this is the oldest showpiece I have. This comes from Dubai. This I had bought, the first showpiece I had bought in Dubai in 1998 or 1999 from Home Center in Dubai. So this stays, even if it looks rotten, it stays in my house.